Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss tools and techniques of project management. As such, this is not a very explicit topic which is mentioned in your syllabus, but still, this is a important topic. This is a very important topic which sometimes may be appeared in the examination. So let's discuss about that. Classification of network techniques. So basically, when we talk about the network tools and techniques which are used in project management, then we discuss about various tools and techniques and the methods which we used in the project implementation and monitoring phase. So there are some network diagram techniques which are used in project implementation phase and planning also. So these include various network techniques such as CPM, PERT, GERT, log, per, per cost, and WASP. So first is CPM, that is, it is popularly known as the critical path method. So critical path method is a project management tool used to formulate a time frame for a project in order to determine where potential delays are most likely to take place. So what is the critical path of a particular project completion process? So second is the PERT. The program evaluation and review technique is basically a scheduling technique. It helps project manager in planning, scheduling, monitoring, evaluating, and controlling large and complex projects. And it is probabilistic model and introduces the uncertainties in project network. So it is a very important, see here it is written as a program evaluation, but it is mostly as the project management, project evaluation and review technique. So it is a project evaluation review technique. Okay, so you may correct this, प्रोग्राम की जगह आप प्रोजेक्ट लिख सकते हैं, जहां से मैंने रेफर किया है इसको ईपीजी पाठशाला से, उस रेफरेंस पर्टिकुलर रेफरेंस से यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम है, बट इट शुड बी प्रोजेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन एंड रिव्यू टेक्निक. ओके, पर्ट. एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज द गर्ड. बेसिकली ये सब नेटवर्क डायग्राम टेक्निक होती है. इसमें हम कुछ नेटवर्क्स बनाते हैं, डायग्राम्स बनाते हैं, जिनकी हेल्प से हम प्रोजेक्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, जो भी इश्यूज होते हैं, उनको सॉल्व करते हैं. देन गर्ड, ये बहुत डिटेल में नहीं है इसके न्यूमेरिकल आपके कोर्स में, तो मैं उनमें नहीं जाऊंगी डीपली, बस वी विल जस्ट टच द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, देन द गर्ड इंक्लूड्स द ग्राफिकल इवैल्यूएशन एंड रिव्यू टेक्निक, जिसमें कि गैंट चार्ट्स आते हैं. ठीक है, एंड इट इज अ न्यू टेक्निक and superior over and above the mentioned techniques. In this analysis, only simulation can be used. Then the log, it is known as line of balance technique. Line of balance is a graphical technique to show the progress achieved during the project with the help of key events. Then PERT, per cost, it is an extension of PERT technique to cover the cost of the project. तो इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि जो भी हमारे PERT मतलब PERT के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी हमारा नेटवर्क डायग्राम बनता है, जैसे भी हम इसको रिव्यू करते हैं, तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वहां पर हम उन क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज के लिए, उन पॉइंट्स पर, उन इवेंट्स के लिए कॉस्ट को एलोकेट करते हैं. इट इज नॉट ओनली हेल्पफुल टू प्लान द कंप्लीशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट within a specific time, but also within a specific cost. Then the management, entrepreneurship development and project management network analysis. And then sixth is the WASP. WASP means workshop analysis scheduling program. In सब techniques के अलावा there is one more thing you may write down if you are listening. That is WBS, work breakdown structure. इसमें क्या होता है कि कोई, as we know that project is a complex activity which is basically made up of a small interrelated task and activities. तो हम क्या करते हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट जो एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क है, कॉम्प्लेक्स लार्ज वर्क है, उसको हम स्मॉल डिविजिबल एक्टिविटीज में डिवाइड करते हैं, इजी एक्टिविटीज में डिवाइड करते हैं, और फिर उनको मॉनिटर करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्क ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, so here we are going to discuss two network diagram techniques. One is the program, that is project. Okay, project evaluation and review technique part. So project or program evaluation review technique, which is generally popular as part, is a sophisticated and fairly new tool used by the management for planning and control in the case of special projects, and it is primarily a scheduling technique. It shows any project or job as a set of processes of operations called activities, which must take place in a certain sequence. It involves dramatic presentation of activities and events involved in a long-term project. The diagrammatic presentation is known as a network drawing or network techniques, and these techniques are mostly commonly used in the project management. PERT was developed in 1958 as a result of collaboration between the Operational Research Division of the United States Navy and a team of management consultants known as Booz Allen and हैमिल्टन. बहुत जगह पे जब आप जीके के क्वेश्चंस करते हैं या मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं तो दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड कि व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ PERT, दैट इज प्रोजेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन रिव्यू टेक्निक. वहां पर ठीक है, प्रोजेक्ट इवैल्यूएशन रिव्यू टेक्निक को ही आप वो करेंगे. और दूसरा होता है इसमें आपका कि who invented this PERT. So that is done by the Research Division of United States Navy and a team management consultant known as Booz Allen and Hamilton. And it was developed as a management tool to aid for completing Polaris Ballistic Missile Project, जो आपका ये वॉर से रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट होता है उसके लिए इसका यूज किया था, which has 250 prime contractors and over 9,000 subcontractors engaged in reasons. Then it has been adopted by many enterprises in different industries. So PERT schedule the sequence of activities to be completed in order to accomplish the project within a short period of time. Basic objective of PERT is to control time. The execution of project becomes very difficult. There are long times involved in the planning and scheduling of the project because it involves a lot of complexities and interrelated activities. So for the successful implementation of the project management manager has to take some important decisions such as estimation of resource requirement, time for each activity, and maintaining interrelationship between the activities. Thus, each project involves various decisions such as what is the expected completion time of the project, what will be the effect of any delay on the activity or the project, and what type of additional resources are needed if project has to be completed before scheduled time. एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द प्रोजेक्ट टाइम. तो इसमें 3 तरीके के टाइम होते हैं PERT में. एक होता है ऑप्टिमिस्टिक टाइम, दूसरा होता है पेसिमिस्टिक टाइम, एंड थर्ड इज द मोस्ट लाइकली टाइम. Okay, so that most likely time, that project time has to be calculated by a given formula, which is not required right here. You just need to understand the concept. Then comes the critical path. So basically in project, critical path is the longest path through the network, and the path can be identified by determining the following parameters of each activity. First is the earliest start time for activity, earliest finish time for the activity, latest possible finish time for the activity, latest possible start time for the activity, and the slack time. Slack time is the difference between the earliest start time for the activity and latest start time for the activity, or between the earliest finish and the latest finish. Now we will understand it will help from the following example, but here we are not going to take any kind of example as such. So here it is this much from my side for today's lecture. Thank you very much for listening, students.